All right, why is this treadmill flying off the shelves on Amazon? It's selling over 1,000 units every single month, and it has over 100 reviews, 100 ratings, and I think it's at, right now it's at 4.4 stars. And I'll be straight up, anything that's above even a 4.2, I feel very confident in. So it's flying off the shelves. People are rating it very highly. That's why it's flying off the shelves, because first and foremost. Second, the number you're seeing on the product page, that's absolutely insane. For a treadmill that runs at 6.2 miles per hour, has an incline capability, that's insane. It should be way higher. Right now, I'm going at the top speed. This is 6.2 miles per hour. You can get a great workout at 6.2 miles per hour. Right now, it shows 6.2. So it shows the speed. Next, it shows the time. Then it will flash to, I forget what it flashes to next. I think calorie burn. And then distance is next. But then you can slow it down. Say you want to slow it down to 3. You can just press the one button. It'll slow it down to 3. Want to go even lower. We can do that very easily. And then we're ready to stop it. Just press the stop button. I will show you, it has all these different programs you can run it on. Click this, 30-minute timer. You can set it, these are different programs. Program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12. And it shows you what the programs are on the side. Program 1 all the way to 12 right here. So, sweet. Now, also, you got your cup holders for your water, whatever you want, your Gatorade, whatever you want to put here. You got a spot here for your iPad. Want to watch some videos, some YouTube, whatever you want to do. Then, what I love, got the incline capability, and I love that it is manual incline, because a lot of the inclines that are electric, they can break down. So this one is not going to do that. And it's also very easy to adjust. Just do that on both sides, and you got the incline going. So straight up, an amazing treadmill, amazing value. It's being rated very highly, flying off the shelves on Amazon. I love this. Highly recommend.